Hello everyone! Today we're going to unbox my new phone. Ta-da! So mine is gonna open it, unboxing. We only ordered iPhone 13 because iPhone 13 Pro and Max is a bit expensive for us. So ito lang nakayanan namin. So let's open. I'm using, by the way, I'm using the phone of my husband, the iPhone 13. So you could see the camera is clear. It's different from the last time. So let's go unboxing. So they have this only theme. I have white one and my hubby a black one. These are only the colors available on magenta. So let's go. Here you see, this is here the opening, so we have to, and there's one more down. Usually the iPhone 12 parang iba siya, kahit wala akong iPhone 12. iPhone 6 yata yung pinaka last ko na iPhone. So I was using Samsung and Huawei. So now balik kami sa iPhone. So this one, here is it. iPhone 13, the normal one. Meron silang dalawa lang yung itong bilog camera. Sa iPhone 13 Pro, meron tatlo. What's inside? Of course, the phone itself. And then, the cable. Ito lang yung laman. Tsaka yung, of course, yung manual designed by Apple in California. Ito lang ang laman niya. SB lang meron sila. Yung charger, we need to buy the charger. Since meron kami, mga old one, so pwede namin gamitin. Ang laman niya ito, tudong pang open para sa SIM. Oh, may sticker siya ng Apple. And see, let's see this one. So, tada! Yan. So, open natin siya. Ito yung pang SIM. So, saan nga ba yung open? So, here. Ayan na siya, nag-open na siya. Tudan, ang tagal. Antay sa Wi-Fi. Pwede kayo mag-connect sa Wi-Fi namin. Ito, password namin. 3, 8, 5, 6. Kita niyo yun, yung password namin. Taran, ayan, connected na tayo. What's new on iPhone 13? iPhone 13, mas in-improve nila yung battery life niya. And then, of course, the camera. Pero mas high-tech or more advanced talaga yung iPhone 13 Pro and Max. Meron din silang iPhone 13 mini. Ito. Oh, kailangan din ng face. Kailangan ng face. Ang napansin ko, itong tawag dito, lumiit siya. Sa iPhone 12 medyo malaki, tapos ngayon lumiit na. Ito siya. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag, nakalimutan ko. So, lagyan na natin siya para hindi magasgasan. We need the glass cover. Bumila ko na ng cover para sa camera. Yan, cover na siya. And then, dito na tayo. So, wait lang. Hinahanap ko. Lagay natin dito para maging balance siya. Ayan. So, hindi siya na-move. Absorber. Ayan, cover na tayo. May glass cover na. Meron tayong cover. Here sa camera. And then here. Here. Dito lang pala sa harap. Ayan. Protected na si iPhone 13. So, guys, here na siya. Set up ko na lang siya later. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to be updated sa mga videos namin. Thank you for tuning in. See you next time. Ciao!